Okay, so after yesterday's lesson in cleaning and disassembly, we're out here with the American Firearms 25 Auto again. This time we got brand new ammunition. Nothing's been sitting around 30 years, and the gun has had a thorough cleaning. So, let's see. How will it work? I want to see. Doesn't quite want to extract cases. And when it does, it gets jammed. It gets jammed against the next case in there. So it's like you got to release the slide, get it out. Alright, upon further examination, you can see this gun is scraping the brass somehow. Something with the chamber or the throat might have to be reworked. And also the extractor is not jumping up over the rim. And all that is some sort of spring wedged into the top of the slide. There's no way to access it. I'm going to have to look at that, because it looks like what's going on. Now it went up over. So, some problems with the extractor. Yeah. And it didn't extract that last round again. Yep, so got to go back a little bit better. The extractor, and I'm going to take these cases. For some reason, something's scraping these cases, something fierce. And the only thing I can think of is that it is the feed ramp. Has to be, yeah, I could see the brass on it. Got to polish the feed ramp. So, a little bit more work. Another trip of disassembly. But we'll get it. I think we'll get it and get it working.